can't live in this shithole anymore. Ever since that crazy bitch visited me, I was hearing noises, and it was really creeping me out. I thought I would catch her on camera, but this is all I got. Jane? Jane? No, you're here, Jane. Where are you? Come here, Jane. I know you're here. Come on. Come on, Jane. What the hell?
I beg to differ, little one. Who's here first?
He doesn't want them to fall into the wrong hands. That could be.
Does it now?
Fuck this. Look at this. Gun, exact same position as it was before. Magazine is full, chamber empty, not even cocked. And look at this. Remember that creepy guy? With all that blood? I know I shot him. See any shell casings? No. See any blood when he attacked her? No. Why would I sit here and film this massive attack if no one's gonna believe me? It's there, on camera. What else do you want from me? You want them to do a live song and dance in the middle of the precinct? I mean, come on. I just happened to fail my psych test and all of a sudden I'm some psycho crazy person. You want to know who's psycho and crazy? You are. You stupid police. I just want to go away right now.